Yes, sir.
Welcoming my dear class 10 students in the physics class and in the e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Today it is a very important class. Today is a very important class, and in this class you are going to learn about the ray diagram of image formation in convex lens. For the very first we need to learn the type of refracted rays through a convex lens. सबसे पहले बच्चों को ये सीखना पड़ेगा टाइप्स ऑफ refracted ray through a convex lens. Condition 1. Suppose this is convex lens. Principal axis. Any rays pass is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it pass through focus. You have to give the arrow. Condition 2. Just the reverse of this one. If any rays source of light is kept at focus, source of light is kept at focus, after refraction it becomes parallel. And the third one is very important. You have to use this third type of ray in each of the condition of ray diagram when any rays pass through the optical center. So it will pass through the lens undeviated in a straight line. Understood? अब आपको पढ़ना है बच्चों 6 कंडीशन में. There are 6 different conditions to draw the ray diagram. First you note it down this one. When the object is at infinity. कैसे ड्रॉ करना है बच्चों? अब मेरे साथ आप ड्रॉ कीजिए, ठीक है ना? The basic figure of the convex lens. Take protractor and scale in your hand. चलो इसको बात बताना पड़ेगा. Take your protractor and scale in your hand. क्या सेकेंड? Now, you have to draw this basic figure 6 times. In each page, in the middle of your page, draw this figure. First, you draw a ray diagram. Sorry, principal axis. Principal axis आप draw करोगे. Draw कर दीजिए. अब देखो क्या करना बच्चों. Take this protractor in your hand. इस protractor को अपने हाथ में. देखेंगे नहीं कौन है ये Now take a protractor in your hand. 90 degree mark. This 90 degree mark याद रखो. Protractor में 90 degree marks है, and just opposite to 90 degree mark. It should be in one line. इसके पहले क्या करोगे बच्चों? Please draw a straight line, light straight line. ऐसे हल्का सा straight line draw करो. Okay? कर लिए? अब देखो. You have to arrange this protractor such that it will touch the 50 marks on the top and 120 marks below at the bottom of this one and join this one with the curve line. It will touch the straight line at both ends. Here you put a dot. यहाँ क्या करोगे? Dot लगा दो. ये dot will represent that first center of curvature. फिर यही एक काम करना है बच्चों, क्या करना है इसको रिवर्स करके. अब क्या होगा? 50 वाला 50 डिग्री कहां चला जाएगा हमारा? नीचे, और 130 चला जाएगा हमारा ऊपर. And put a dot here. Again put a dot. Have completed? अब यहाँ क्या करोगे? यहाँ लिखोगे आप 2f1, यहाँ लिखोगे 2f2. This will represent the, ये पॉइंट किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. ऑप्टिक सेंटर नहीं. अब क्या करोगे? ध्यान से देखो. You measure this on OF2 और इसका मिड पॉइंट लो. In my case it is coming 14. ये हो जाएगा हमारा 7.5. यहाँ आ जाएगा. This one is F2. फिर इसका भी मिड पॉइंट ले लेंगे. ये हो जाएगा हमारा F1. So this is your basic figure. You have to draw this basic figure 6 times. 6 बार करना है. Now, what the condition 1 tells us that the object is at infinity. Okay. Now, take one ray above the principal axis and one ray below the principal axis. Okay. What happened after diffraction? Diffraction के बाद क्या होगा बच्चों? मुड़ जाएगा. किधर मुड़ेगा? At which point? Focus. It converge at a point on focus. अब यहां से हम चलेंगे. फिर यहां से भी हम लेंगे ऐसे बच्चों. एरो जरूर दीजिएगा. एरो इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब देखिए, व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इमेज? ऑब्जेक्ट कहां बना हुआ है? इमेज कहां बना? एट फोकस ऑन अदर साइड ऑफ लेंस. कैसा बना? पॉइंट साइड. वेरी वेरी स्मॉल या हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. थर्ड क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? रियल एंड इनवर्टेड. रियल एंड इनवर्टेड. It has one application. It is used in telescope. Telescope आप जब 11th क्लास में जाओगे, अगर आप बायोलॉजी लेते हो या मैथ्स लेते हो, इसका एप्लीकेशन आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा. So we learn 5 more conditions. Okay, please note it down. Then I will teach you 5 more basic conditions of the ray diagram in convex lens. God bless you.